You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation, let's break it down. In English, this is the name of a town in Switzerland. They speak German in this part of Switzerland, Interlaken. Interlaken is the German pronunciation, or Swiss German. Interlaken in English, the pronunciation is similar as Interlaken, English pronunciation. How to pronounce Interlaken, Switzerland. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.